in life, things that would have affected whether positively or negatively, it's very easy to just turn them into song when you're a creative person, because that's the best way you know how to express yourself. So it becomes a way of expressing yourself. So I get to express myself. You know, I can take a walk, you know, and a song comes to my mind as a way of probably easing that pain in me, and then that becomes a song. If I get overjoyed, you know, I can do the same. If I need hope, I can do the same. If I see a situation, you know, and it really touches me to that level.
Let's talk about Mskana Kanaka.
Oh, yes.
You said you take a walk and the song comes, if you're overjoyed. So Mskana Kanaka, when you wrote Mskana Kanaka,
yes,
what happened?
I had fallen in love, obviously.
Tell us about this girl. What happened?
This girl, I'm trying to remember the year. Forgive me if I don't remember. So you know what, Kugeto, you know almost everyone I'm gonna do, but there's this girl from Norway, but she was there. You see, she had
always been there.
Yeah, she had always been there. But I started. And then I was, then, you know, okay. The honest truth is, a guy told me about this girl. I'm like, you know what? Then I saw her, like from a distance, obviously. And then got a chance to talk to her, got to know her, had our downs. Before that, downs are not ups, so I my downs. And then I think that was necessary for us to tangle up passage, and then we started building up. Then somehow my heart kept telling me, you know, spend time with her, get to know her. And then we did. We spent a lot of time. So we were the talk of Kumarain. Funny this soap in the Sunset Beach. Yes,
that's my walks.
Taita to my walks. It no motakabata na moko sechi apazitwa kugetu, you know. Yeah. I guess, you know, like, I think there comes a point where you're in love to a point where you see. So Mskana Kanaka came because of that lady. One, she's dark in complexion like me. And then, you know, I just had to write a song about her. This was before I got married, before I even thought I was going to get married, but it was actually a song in Ngoti. I was happily in love.
Does she know about this song? Does she know it was her today?
She does.
She does?
She does know. She didn't know then, but then I explained to her, you know, this was you. So there's a special request here. And I'm going to play this song. This song is called Newe. And like I said, I think from the way that I play Mbira instrument, I've tried to utilize this instrument differently from the way that it's used or the type of music that it's known for. So Newe, it's I think you could put it under the classification of a soft rock song. So it's a mix of my music, it's a mix of everything. So let's just call it Alexio music for now. Mangwana derimwe akanandisine wengarisa svike awendo rwatatanga tipedzise kure kuye kusina nzeve rudo rukatuma uvike nyangwe nyika ichiguma ndiende Newe. Zeve kanoda munzeve, mepo inofefedza iri makore. Awiyorwe muwana mangwiwe, uve ndive tisingafurirwe. Bvuma 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 usarambe. Nyangwe nyika ichiguma ndiende, kana ndisinewe. Newe ndinoda kuenda, newe kusina vakawandisa, newe zvatichanoita ikoko, newe usaonekana wani waunoudza. Kumanya manya kwete, pore pore nerudo. Zvaunoda zvishoma, ndine zvimwe zvandinazo. Yeah, baby, kudais dais sandizve muromo, chigiri nespice, kana uchine mukaka. Ini ndiende newe, ndinoda kuenda, newe kusina vakawandisa, newe zvatichanoita ikoko, newe usaonekana waunoudza. Audza waunoudza, waunoudza, audza waunoudza.